Today we'll tell you about foxnuts. Foxnuts are rich in calcium, magnesium and phosphorus, as well as other compounds. Improving mental health, remove hormonal disorders. Beneficial for diabetes patients. And they are beneficial for people who have high blood pressure problems. Bone weakness, calcium deficiency is beneficial in case of vitamin D deficiency. Foxnuts make the heart healthy and strong. It rids the body of bad cholesterol. They strengthen the body and keep it agile and energetic. Foxnuts are more useful for those who want to lose weight. However, due to excessive hunger they keep eating during the day. And it is a very good food for those who are unable to eliminate body fat. They can be eaten in the form of hunger. Fox seeds are sugar-friendly, so sugar patients can eat without worry.